Hello beautiful people of the internet, I'm so happy you joined me today. I'm making something festive and something very classic. I'm making a pear and cranberry crumble. I have very few ingredients, so let's have a quick look. I have 100 grams of rolled oats, 100 grams of whole wheat flour, and about 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, then a tablespoon of cinnamon and about a teaspoon of ginger, and 100 grams of cold grass-fed organic butter, then about 250 grams of fresh cranberries, 500 grams of pears, these are the hard pears which are meant for stewing, then a handful of pecans, 1 organic orange, and 50 grams of coconut sugar. The oven is already preheating at 180 Celsius. I'm going to prepare my filling first, so I have to peel these pears and cut them in small pieces. To my pears, I'm adding the cranberries, which I have rinsed, and the coconut sugar. Mix it up. I'm going to put this aside for a bit and then take out my food processor to prepare the crumble. In here, I'm dumping my rolled oats, whole wheat flour, and coconut sugar, as well as the ginger and cinnamon. Then I'm going to add some zest of this beautiful organic orange. It's important to not grate in the white part because you don't want your crumble to be bitter. And last but not least, 100 grams of cold butter, which I cut up in cubes. Now let's blitz this up until we have a nice bread crumble texture. Take out the blades. I'm just going to mix it up a little bit more just to incorporate the butter into the flour. You can do that with your fingers. Not too much though, you don't want the butter to melt. Here's my favorite oven-proof dish. I'm going to grease it with some butter and then dump in the filling. And now we can add the crumble. This deliciousness is going to bubble away in the oven for about 35 minutes, I think, until the crust is nice and golden and crispy and the filling is juicy and soft and moist and delicious and awesome. So let's do it. The tartness of the cranberries and the sweetness and the softness of the pears mix really well with the crunchy pecans and the cinnamon and some spicy ginger, which makes this a delicious, low-key, festive dessert. But what is even a better idea is to have this for breakfast with some Greek yogurt and some fruit, or maybe some drizzle of maple syrup on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think of this recipe in the comments below, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye.